Hello, here is Parabellum from ES, and I was asked to do a review on monitor 4-in-1. I got it from Leader Hobbies, and it comes in a plastic box. I don't know where the upper cover is right now. I either do not know where manual is, but it is just a monitor and the cable. It's used for charging or something like that. Okay, not something like that, it charges actually. If you plug it here in, then plug it to any USB port, I think. You plug it into the computer. It charges, it is red now. And this internal battery of 1100 milliamperes, I think. And it showed this device should work about 10 hours in on state, but it kind of goes to standby modus and can stay on up to 1000 hours, something like that. Okay, the cool thing about this Intim is you can measure internal resistance of the cells very quickly. So you just, if it is on, you push the button. No, you make it, okay, it's off. This on off switch and M button, whatever it means. On, then you push the M button and you have the like internal resistance measurements. I need to open this thing. Negative is this side and positive is this side. It's not marked, so I marked it myself here. This is a Turnigy 5 amps 4S hard case. It's new, it's just cycled once and you connect it. And here you have the internal resistance. 3.6 amps is 44 milliohms, 6.95 amps 46 milliohms, and 1.8 amp and 1 kilohertz is 44 milliohm resistance. And we can do it again on the same port, and we have pretty same results. It must be about 5% plus minus, but look, it's all the same result. We can go to the other cell, it will be different for sure. Yes, 44, 44, 44. And then next cell, 41, 50, 40. It is pretty constant on the same cell, but it changes. Okay, not pretty constant, but it's good to match cells between, if you want to assemble a big pack or something like that. It's pretty cool. And now we have a nanotech. It's very abused nanotech. It is very thick, if you can observe. It is very poofy because it was very abused. It was reverse charged and a lot of nasty stuff, really. So we connect it and we have, okay, 60 milliohm. It's not so bad. The other one, okay, 53 milliohms. It's not so bad also. Okay. So it's a very quick way to measure the internal resistance of the battery. It also has the feature of connecting it to the charger and monitoring some values like amps and volts and stuff like that. So I will just very quickly show how it works. Okay, if you connect the battery to balance port, you have the value of the battery and with the voltage of the battery. There's a full cell that can take up to 8 cells. And you can, okay, we will just We are charging now lead acid battery. So if I connect, okay, we are charging lead acid battery. If you connect it here, it connects to the charger and shows you a lot of stuff. I don't know how necessary it is, but you can see the line moving right now. It's like makes some kind of graph voltage. We can change to current. It's also a graph for current there. Okay, it doesn't mean that. Okay, basically you have graph, and it shortens if it comes to the end or goes out of the graph. It expands and all this stuff. I don't really see a usage for this graph because I have no scale here, but it's there. 2 amps, 51 watt, Plum battery. 25. Okay, it's pretty all I have to say about it.